So let's talk about setting up your project and file structure. This is really just as important as setting up your environment. I'm going to go to the My Project folder that I created. You notice my functional specs already in there. And I'm going to start creating a series of folders. This might sound silly, but really having good organization on your project is going to help you put things. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a CSS folder. I might put in a folder for JavaScript. I'm going to put in a folder for images. I might even put a folder in for video. I definitely want to put a folder in for fonts, and we'll talk about fonts in a later section of how to create them and add them in. And really the goal of this is as we build the page, we want to be able to put files somewhere. The worst thing you can have is a big long page in a directory with piles and piles of different files. A lot of times when we work, most of this project structure will actually go away to someone. We might send it out to a development team, we might send it back to the design team, and then someone's going to be responsible for uploading this onto a server. It might be a small project, it might be a large project. All projects work the same. You take these root files that we're working with, you take these HTML, your directory structure, and then it's going to have to go up on a server to be live. Or it's going to have to get uploaded onto a WordPress. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll also actually create